Hi everyone, welcome to Skillari. Today in this video we are going to talk about why you should be learning about Python in 2022. We are also going to tell you why Python is so famous these days. You might be a graduate, an undergraduate, or you might be someone who just wants to get into the world of programming. Make sure to watch the complete video and hit the like, share and subscribe button. So without a further delay, let's jump into the video. What is Python and why Python? Python is a computer programming language. It helps us to talk to the computer, which is often used to build websites and software automated tasks that conduct data analysis. Python is a general purpose language, meaning it can be doing a variety of tasks and it is not specialized for any specific problem. So it is very versatile. This versatility along with its beginner user friendliness has made it to one of the most used programming languages in the industry today. It is easy to read, you can easily learn it. It is an object-oriented programming, functional programming language. We have exceptional handling over there. It's portable, the code is very less, and the biggest thing is it is quite easy for beginners. The next thing is applications. Python, as I have told you before itself, it is very versatile. Why? Because it's a general purpose language. So it was not built for any specialized task or any specialized problem. It has a wider field and it has various applications. Self-driving cars, then we have Netflix recommendation system. All of these are using Python as their core language. We can create web applications. We have image processing applications, chat applications. We can have audio-based application, video-based application, business application. We can do data analysis. We can create desktop GUI applications. All of these are possible just by a single language, that is Python. After learning Python, what people do is they select a domain and they learn regarding that domain. If you are someone who has learned Python and you want to move into web development, you should be knowing about Flask or Django framework. If you are someone who wants to move into machine learning, you have to create a roadmap for that itself. So these are some of the jobs that you can get. And a fun fact for you guys that people with Python skills get the highest salaries in the industry. So Python can get your pocket full of money. And last but not the least, as this is free and open source programming language, we have a very big global Python community called PyCon. And then when we have local user groups, we have online community, we have so many groups, so many communities who are always there to help you guys out with your doubts. So that's such how broad Python is, and that is why you should be starting out with Python just now.